Good afternoon, children. Take out your lead book and get ready with the lesson, The Seed of Truth, lesson number 9. This is actually a story about how the king chooses a successor because he had no children. Now, let's begin the story, The Seed of Truth, lesson 9. It's written by Sudha Murthy. Long ago, the country of Gandhara was ruled by a just and a good king, Vidyadhara. His subjects were very happy, but as the king grew older, everyone got more and more worried. The king did not have any children who could rule the kingdom after him. What has happened? Long time back, in the kingdom of Gandhara, they ruled Vidyadhara. He was very good king. He was a very just, good ruler. He loved his people. People also loved him. People grew worried after him who will be the next ruler because he had no children. The king loved gardening. He spent a lot of time taking care of his garden, planting finest flower, fruit trees and vegetables. One day he finished walking in the garden. He proclaimed, "I will distribute some seeds to all the children of the kingdom. The one who grows the biggest, healthier plants within 3 months will become the prince or the princess." So what has happened? The king declared that one who grows the best quality of a plant from the seeds he will give, he or she will be the prince or the princess of the kingdom of Gandhara. Next morning, all the people gathered together and made a long line to get seeds from the king outside the palace. Everyone was eager to get seed and grow the best plant. Everyone was very eager to get the seeds from the king and grow the best quality of plants. Pingala, a poor farmer's son, was among his children. Like the king, he too was fond of gardening and grew beautiful plants in his backyard. He took the seed from the planted king and planted in a pot with great care. What has happened? Pingala, the son of a farmer, he too was in the line among the anxious children. He took the seeds from the king. He was very fond of gardening. He grew beautiful plants in his garden at the back of his home, and he took the seeds, he planted them in a pot and took great care of it. Some weeks passed and he added some water and manure to the pot, but the plant did not appear. Pingala tried changing the soil and transferred the seeds to another pot, but even after 3 months nothing appeared. What has happened? At first he planted the seeds, nothing grew out of it. Then after 3 months he changed the pot, but it was also in vain. It was also no use. But no, he took great care. He added manure, water every day. But in spite of that, no plants appeared. At last the day came when the children had to go to the king to show the plant they had grown. They started walking to the place, dressed in their best, holding beautiful plants in their hand. Only Pingala stood steadily, watching them. But Pingala's father had watched his son walking hard and he felt sorry for him. "Why don't you go to the king with the empty pot?" he said. "At last he will see you have tried your best." Pingala was very much disappointed. He did not want to go to the king to show his empty pot. But his father said that you have worked all hard to grow the plant. You have tried your best, but no plant grew. That is not your fault. And all children also in the line, they mockingly laughed at Pingala. Okay, so Pingala wore his best dress and went to the king with his empty pot. All were laughing at him. The pot held, and all the children had pot which hold nice big plant of beautiful colors. But the king was not happy. At the end of the line stood Pingala, and the king reached him. He stopped in surprise, but the king was very sad. Pingala was at the last of the line. When he came, king was greatly surprised. "Child, you have come with the empty pot. Could you still not grow anything?" The king said with astonishment, astonished, and said that you have not grown anything. Your pot is empty. Child, why have you come with an empty pot? Could you have not done anything? Pingala looked down and said, Forgive me, your highness. I tried my best. I gave the best soil of manure, but I had no plant, but the plant would not grow. He told the king that I tried my best. I supplied manure, water, everything, but no plant came out of my seeds. Now the king's face broke into a smile. He enveloped Pingala in his arms and announced, He is the crown prince. I gave everyone roasted seeds which would never grow, just to see which child has the most honest and would admit he or she has not been able to grow anything. Only the boy told the truth. I am sure he will rule the kingdom one day with truth and honesty. Now the king was very happy. He embraced the child and said, You are the perfect one who will be the king of the Gandhara kingdom, and because you are very honest, I have given everybody roasted seeds, and no plant will come out of the roasted seeds naturally. So you are the one who have showed me honesty, and you can only rule the Gandhara kingdom with truth and honesty. And indeed, that was what happened. When the king grew old and died, Pingala, who had learnt everything from him, came to the throne and ruled Gandhara justly for many years. Then every lesson he had from the king, Pingala, he got every lesson from the king. Then he came to the throne and ruled Gandhara for many years. Here I come to the end of the lesson. It's very nice. It's written by Sudha Murthy. She is a writer of writing stories about children, stories taken from the Magic Drum and other favorite stories, a collection of folk tales. Very easy and nice story. Thank you, children. Please learn the question answer, read the chapter in details.